Hello, welcome to my Tango Practice channel. In my last video, I shared a hero drill choreography. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure to check it. Today, we are diving in the 7 most common mistakes I see when it comes to hero. We've all been there and are probably guilty of at least a few of these. This video will help you identify the mistakes you might be making regularly, so you can correct them and take your technique to the next level. Let's get started. Number 1. Focusing on the leader on the center of the circle. This makes you lose your posture and balance as the upper body shifts into a narrower circle than the lower body. Instead, keep your focus on your path, the circle. The center stays at the same spot anyways. Number 2. Looking outside. It's not just about the direction of your head, but more about including the leader's axis inside your embrace. Use the upper body torsion to achieve it. Number 3. Trying to catch the leader. Your upper body goes faster than your lower body, your steps are uncontrolled, and you are now accelerating to avoid actually falling. You are running. Contrary to popular belief, you are not supposed to reach the front of the leader during the hero, because when you do so, the hero ends. Number 4. Giving your arm to the leader, disconnecting it from your body and center. It usually happens when you do not want to feel heavy on your partner or can't go fast enough, but it breaks the communication between you both. Keep your arm connected to your center and vice versa, and use your leg faster if needed. Number 5. Focusing on collecting between each steps. It gives a stop motion effect, cutting the hero in pieces and disrupting its flow. Instead, pass your free foot next to the standing one without stopping there. Number 6. Not orientating your lower body towards your path. It usually happens when giving priority to the upper body facing the partner. Your steps will fall outside or inside your path, making your hero irregular. Controlling the distance with your partner becomes very difficult and unpredictable. Instead, before each step, make sure to orientate your pelvis accordingly. Pelvis facing your path for the front step, hip aligned to the path for the side step, and pelvis facing opposite of the path for the back step. Number 7. Changing the lower body orientation between side and front step, sending the front step outside of your path, away from the floor. It happens because you are inverting the spine torsion. Instead, fix your lower body orientation at the end of the side step and rotate the upper body to accompany the position switch with the leader. And here you have it, the most common hero mistakes. Did you recognize any that you can work on? Since this list isn't exhaustive, feel free to share any other mistakes you think are worth mentioning in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.